Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, February 4th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Today was kind of a dull day after yesterday's huge, almost crash, but the Dow actually did make some positive gains today. Closed up 72 points. I mean, after a huge down day like yesterday, 300 points plus, the market can be expected to take a little bounce, and I think that's all it was today. I don't think this downside action is done with. Don't know if it's going to come tomorrow, but I still would predict we have some more downside still before we're done with this correction, and can look forward to some very explosive moves to the upside. That's why I'm staying in this game, because I know when this thing turns around, it's going to turn around on a dime. It's going to be very unexpected. Nobody saw it coming. Those of us who are in the game could make a whole lot of money very quickly. I mean, I could see something like maybe $40,000, $50,000 in a couple of days, and you know, that more than wipes out all our losses that everybody's complaining about for the last couple of weeks. So I'm willing to stay in, but it is kind of tough. We had only one position today in LCI, that's Lanet, and with one position, we lost $5,000 today in our closed out trades. That one position was terrible. And so that really hurts. I mean, these markets are really poisoned. We did get into 6 positions today. Fortunately, none of them look really too bad to me. Only 2 are positive, but the negative ones are just negative a few $100s. I'm not going to lose sleep on it over it, but nevertheless, I mean, if we get a big hard downside move tomorrow, I mean, even those $100 negative trades could turn into $1,000 negative trades very quickly. I just knock on wood, hope that doesn't happen. I advise people who are just starting my system right now is to just sit back and wait and watch it a little bit. Let's see the turnaround first. But I have made so much money with this system over the past 13 months that I don't worry all about this. This is actually kind of small change compared to what I have seen in the past year plus. Anyway, let's take a look at those charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, of course, and you can see this huge downside move we had yesterday, and then today we go into kind of flattening out here. Actually, the Dow did close up 76 points, but 76 points looks pretty small compared to all this very volatile downside stuff that we've seen. And as I say, I hate to say it, I don't think that this 72 point gain today is anything more than a little bounce. I am looking for some downside move left in this correction, but at some point, and I think some point very soon, this thing's really going to turn around and it's going to get very volatile to the top side, and we are going to be able to make a lot of money when that happens. But as I say, I think it's going to happen very quickly, very suddenly, and it's going to take everybody by surprise, and that's why I'm willing to stay in and trade through these rotten markets. I'll show you a couple trades though that I like to trade winning trades, and we had a couple of them today that kind of look good to me. We're only holding a few $100 on them, but this is DL. That's China Distance Learning. It's a new market. It's kind of on the thin side. Because it's thin, it really moves and steps out. So there's a lot of profit potential on this. Of course, it could go against us too. You always have to be in mind of that. But what I like about this, we bought this right before the bell. I mean, I think it was about 2 minutes in. I had to hustle to get this order in, and yet, yeah, it closed almost on its high. I like breakouts right at the end of the day. Frequently, there's very good follow through the next day. So I have high hopes for China Distance Learning, and I'll show you one more here. This was, let's see here. I think this is it. Let's see. I'm looking for Nova Gold. Just be patient with me. Yeah, here we go. All right, this is NG or Nova Gold, and once again, we didn't buy this on the last bar, but we bought it the last half hour of the day. And again, we get this has been a pretty smooth upside move all day. Right at the end, it hits our buy price, and we jump into it. Nova Gold can be quite volatile, but I kind of like this trade, and I also kind of like it because if the market really tanks tomorrow, like I think it could, Nova Gold will probably go in the opposite direction. Well, anyway, let's hope. Anyway, we'll just pin our hopes to a couple $100 trades, and hope things go better. And this is Trader Bob signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.